These are the elevators. At the Sarasota Memorial Hospital North Garage. Ooh, these are glass. In Sarasota, Florida. Let's go. One. Is that locked? Is it seriously locked? Oh, it's taking us down, but I don't know why. This looks like it's locked. Oh, unless it just parks at the ground and opens its doors. We're 3. I just shut the door on someone. Here we are at 7. Oh wow. I'm just gonna look out here for a minute. That is a nice view. Anyway, let's go back down. So as you see, there's 3 of them. We're up on 7. We're gonna go back to 2. Apparently there's a bridge on 3. Here's a certificate. These are earlier Miami Dover elevators, probably installed like in the, I don't know, mid 80s or late 80s, or possibly even the early 90s. We're at 3. Okay, so with that being said, that'll be it.